we say winter sucks. Yeah. Fur. The horses are locked in the barn because of this bullshit. Oh, barn door. Okay. So, this is start. We're in the barn. We're going in. Try not to kill myself. Okay. So, we've got, they can go on to this side of the barn. Oh, Tess is done eating. I gotta put her with everybody else. Just a few chickens are still out. Kitties. And I shut the door a little too late because it blew how much snow in already. But at least it's warmer in here now. Yeah, and then Blitz is happy sitting here. And the chickens are in their pen. So yeah, everybody's good. Other than it's snowing in the barn, of course.